Today we are gonna do chicken with yogurt sauce. Yogurt marinated chicken and garlic sauce. Bam, bam, bam. Let's see how it turns out. We got our carrots, we have our peeler, our zester, chef's knife. We've already got it. Not messing around, right? First thing they want us to do, peel the carrots. Easy money. I like to hold them in, angle it, and just rotate it gently with my fingertips. And if you just take your time and do it right, you won't have to go over the carrot much times. No. No, we can, I'll get it today. Okay.
That one in the corner is yours? Or this one's yours?
The coldest one. Because I literally just cracked it open.
Yeah, the one behind you.
Okay. Alright, one more. One more carrot to go. I just put 4 Velvetas.
No other difference?
No. Boom. Alright, and now it's saying that we need to zest this bad boy. Peel and mince garlic. Okay. So, we're going to take this part of the knife, we're going to smash it down. Right, and then we're going to cut it really fine. Yeah. And we're going to turn it. We're going to chop it really fine. There's that part. Just keep gathering it up in a pile. Chop it down. Break it down. Alright. So they want us to gather this spice, half this yogurt, tablespoon of olive oil, tablespoon of salt. They want us to quarter a lemon. We'll zest it first. This is how you zest it. Thumb on the bottom, index finger curved, and you just pull it back. Look at that. Magnifico. Cool. Now they want me to...
Can I use margarine instead of butter?
Yeah, you can.
Sorry, I didn't know that.
Yeah, quarter the lemon. Okay. And a dash of pepper. Boom. All right, chicken's already patted dry, and I put it in the marinade that we made. All I'm gonna do is just coat all sides of the chicken with this cool marinade. Looks good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just try to coat it completely, and then we're gonna put it in the cooler and let it sit for now. We'll come back for it in a little bit. We're gonna store it on the bottom. All raw protein goes in the bottom of the cooler. So we're gonna put it down here in the bottom. There you go. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do 1/2-inch roll carrots. So we're gonna try to get a 1/2-inch cut, and then we're gonna turn it. As we're turning it, we're cutting it 1/2 inch. It gives the carrots some levels and angles.
Help me real quick. I know the butter, I know the onions, I know the three, I know it's two tablespoons white pepper, 1 tablespoon of red pepper.
1 tablespoon of each, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper.
1 tablespoon white pepper. 1 tablespoon salt. 1 tablespoon of cilantro, right?
Yeah. Chicken bouillon, ginger.
What are And then, is it 1 or 2 tablespoons of garlic?
2. Of course. Oh, and some kind of vinegar. Whatever hot sauce we can put in it. All right. Now we're gonna, after we cut our carrots, we're gonna put them in a bowl with the remainder of the garlic. There's some cilantro sprigs. We're gonna hit it with some oil. A pinch of salt. Boom. And then a little bit of chili flakes for color and flavor. I'm gonna toss it. So it's all coated evenly and incorporated. Alright, and then we're gonna put that bad boy right on the sheet tray and spread it out so that it cooks evenly. Alright, these carrots are gonna go in the oven, 425, for 25 minutes. Cooler. What we're gonna do is we're gonna heat up a tablespoon of butter, and we're gonna add our couscous packets. And a pinch of salt, a dash of salt in that bad boy. We're gonna cook this for 30 seconds. So we're just gonna agitate it, get some color on it. Toast it up a little bit. You just wanna make sure it's coated evenly. That's the biggest thing. We also got 6 ounces of water and our 2 chicken marinade broth kits. We're just gonna really give some texture and some flavor to that couscous. I love couscous, it's super good. You put something crunchy in there like almonds or chili flakes, and it really gives it that elevated crunch that you look for, that you didn't know that you needed. Okay. All right, we're gonna add these chicken packets in there. says here, stir in the stock concentrate and 3/4 cups of water. And then we're gonna bring that to a boil. So let's just stir it up a little bit, make sure it all incorporates. So we want this to get to a boil first. And once it does, we're gonna cover it with some foil and we're gonna reduce it and let it cook for 6 to 8 minutes. All right, couscous looks good. Now we're gonna add a little bit of raw garlic to it. We're gonna sprinkle the lemon zest that we did. I like golden raisins because I want a little bit of savoriness to this. And we're gonna hit this with some salt and some pepper. Oh yeah. It's really, really pretty. Wow. Believe that? It's time to cook the chicken. Just want to put a streak down. You always want to put the chicken skin side down. You see like the inner rough parts? You want this part to be seared and clean and organized. Skin side down. The carrots. And the carrots are done too. Check it out. Excuse me, let me just switch over here real quick. Voila. The carrots, or finito. Got carrots, I got couscous. What you wanna do? Yeah, thank you. All right. The trick to cooking chicken is you see this little outer rim that starts to bubble. Once you start getting color on all 4 areas, like, you know, the 4 corners of the chicken, then you know it's time to turn it. We really don't want to play with it too much right now because it's starting to get that little sear. As you can see, we want it to be even throughout. So if anything, I'm just going to make sure it's flat. And we're going to let this cook for 8 minutes. So we'll probably do 5 minutes and then we'll turn it over for 3. It's time to look at these pieces of chicken. Nice and pretty. Nice color. I'll add a little bit more oil to it. We'll come back in 5 minutes. All right, I flipped it one more time. We're just gonna temp it to make sure. And we're looking for 165 for 10 seconds. So we're gonna stick the thermometer in the thickest part of the chicken. So we're at 145. So we probably got 2 more minutes left on that bad boy. This bad boy. Let's get our chicken on our cutting board. Behind. All right, here we go. So we're gonna turn it with the skin side up. All 3 pieces. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start on the fatter part of the chicken and we're gonna cut inside. This is called an inner bias cut. And we're gonna do about 4 cuts per piece of chicken. See? Oh. I could actually do 4. Yeah, we'll go even further. Boom. Looks good. Because when we fan it out, it's gonna be pretty. Alright, you see how rough it looks on that side? Not on this side. Again, inner bias cut. more again. See, I'm holding the chicken down and I'm letting the knife do the work. We're not rushing into it, so we're not chopping it up and destroying it. We're letting the knife do the work. And that's this is a little funky piece, but we're gonna try to make it look pretty. Hit it at the end with the. There you go. Boom. Okay, so chicken's ready to go, and I'll show you a technique that I use there. We're gonna take our couscous. We're gonna plate it just like the picture. We're gonna keep everything inside the rim of the plate. Okay. Very nice. We're gonna take some of our carrots. We don't want the cilantro. The cilantro is just for that earthy tone. Okay, carrots are gonna go right here. Very pretty. Nice roll cut roasted carrots with a little bit of chili flakes for spice. Boom. Okay. Then we're gonna turn this plate around, upside down. I'm gonna pick my prettiest chicken for the bowl. It's gonna be this one for sure. And we're gonna fan it out just like that, so you can see every piece of chicken. Look at that. It's very pretty. Oh, oui, oui, chef. All right. Now we're gonna get the yogurt sauce that we made earlier. Right here. Okay. Let's blow this up here. Let's get our nice little serving spoon. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little drizzle over the chicken. Here we go. Don't be afraid. Woo! Beautiful. A little cilantro, some cilantro leaves for the homies. Digging it. Yep. Beautiful. Put our little lemon wedge right here. Alright. I love chili flakes. So we're going to put a little bit just on the white for color. Bam. There you have it. Yogurt marinated chicken and garlic sauce. Thank you all for watching. I'm about to maximize this.